Hey guys, so in this video we'll be going over why a ChatGPT Plus subscription is worth it compared to the free version. So if you'd like to know why I think it's worth it to upgrade to the premium version of ChatGPT, then watch this video. Okay, so the first major reason to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus is that you get access to the GPT-4 model, which is a more advanced model than the free version of ChatGPT 3.5. But also if you're on the free version, and also if you have a Plus subscription, you get a faster queue for the 3.5 model. So coming back into ChatGPT 4, why it's so good is because it combines all OpenAI models together, such as DALL-E, as well as browsing capabilities. And you also have the ability to upload PDFs in which ChatGPT can interpret and provide you with answers to your questions regarding the contents of that PDF. So another major feature of ChatGPT Plus is the ability to install plugins. So we can go over here and we can visit the plugin store. And as you can see here, a lot of the popular apps right now are the ability to upload PDFs. After the latest versions of ChatGPT, you can upload a PDF directly. So next, another major feature with ChatGPT is the ability to use GPTs, which are custom-made chatbots for a specific use case. So here are the ones created by OpenAI. So they have DALL-E, which is for image generation, one for data analysis, as well as some AI personas like a writing coach and a tech support advisor. So you can create your own GPTs over here. The GPT builder allows you to create a new GPT, which is specialized in a specific task. So you're able to train it based on certain inputs. So you can upload your own personal data for your business, in which the GPT will be able to interpret and provide you with relevant answers based on all the inputs that you provide. So we won't build a full GPT in this video, but I'll show you one that I developed for my marketing agency. So if we go over here to MapBot, so MapBot is a sales rep AI that I'm developing for my marketing agency. So if we can configure it here, if we edit the GPT, it's the same thing over here, but I configured it by giving it a description, and then after you give it instructions. So you provide instructions on how you'd like the chatbot to interact with the user, as well as some conversation starters. And then I added my website content. So I just uploaded the contents of my business website over here. So all the tech within all the pages, ChatGPT is able to interpret this data and provide you with relevant answers to your user. Again, and then you can set up conversation starters and then the capabilities. So it's able to also browse the web, create images, and interpret code. Okay, so this is still a work in progress, but we can see how it's relevant now. So I can say, hi, can you tell me more about Maplet Media Agency? Yeah, so as you see here, it's all relevant information. This is based off the training data that I provided. So if you checked over here, it matches this description, web design and development agency. So they also change it up by prioritizing SEO, which is good. And then all the services here are included over here. So it's able to fetch the relevant information based on the inputs you provide. So having one of these custom GPTs for your business will save a lot of time, as you can set up a chatbot on your website, which works 24/7 and can provide relevant information to potential clients and customers. Comparing the ChatGPT free model versus the paid model. So let's try the free model and say, browse my website and make a new logo. So as you see here, it's quite limited how it's not able to browse the internet or access other GPTs such as DALL-E within the ChatGPT 3.5 interface. So let's try this prompt again, but on the premium version of ChatGPT. So here in ChatGPT 4, we're just gonna paste the same prompt and click enter. And there we go. As you can see, it's actually browsing the web, visiting my website. Okay, so it's done collecting data, and now it's using DALL-E to create a logo. So it's a way more advanced model. Awesome. So here's the logo they created. It's not really my taste, but the capability is here. You can obviously provide more feedback to ChatGPT on the logo design, and then they will provide revisions. But as you can see, all the models are working together in one. So the browsing, DALL-E, as well as ChatGPT. And then if we check here in the corner, we don't have a upload PDF button. But if we go here into ChatGPT 4, we can upload files. Okay, so we'll test the PDF functionality. So I have here just a document with some of my website details. So we'll save this as a PDF and then we'll ask ChatGPT for it to interpret it. So if we upload the file, let's just say summarize this document. So now it's reading the document. Awesome. So it essentially took my document and refined it even further to make it more organized. So with the plus version of ChatGPT, you're able to interpret data from a PDF or in a spreadsheet for data analysis, and as well as improving documents, as well as the ability to summarize documents and provide insight on documents that you share to ChatGPT. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to understand more about ChatGPT Plus and why I think it's an essential tool for all working professionals to improve productivity and to overall increase revenue in your business. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.